Just you.
Yes, I have a 13-month-old daughter, and I thought I was doing good, you know, with her diet, giving her only organic foods and all vegetables and fruits and all that stuff. But she just, in the last few minutes, totally wiped out her whole diet.
Destroyed it.
Yeah, so my question is, what
That was so good.
What am I going to feed her tomorrow?
Good.
I told you some of you little die tonight.
When my son stopped sucking his mother's breast, I went to the ocean and I got the sea moss. The sea moss has every mineral there is on the planet except one, which is iron. Sasa was eating sea moss and drinking his Maya tonic, which his father makes. So, about nursing, in fact, my child was in New York just a month ago, and the fellow was asking me, well, how come your son doesn't eat? I never seen your boy eat. I said, he doesn't eat but once a day. And when he eats a little bit of vegetables. And he eats that only to fill a need, I suppose, but his nutrition comes through the electrical food that I feed everyone that comes to be cured.
So, Elijah Muhammad told him how to eat once a day.
That's true. Now, so therefore, as for your child, if you want to know what to feed your child, you just come to the Usha Institute. In fact, it was because of that that I received an award in Washington for changing the nutritional value of young mothers from 14 to 20. I received the award because what I recommended was equitable, and they were healthy. The child didn't have a runny nose, didn't have fevers, the coughing, the mucus which you hear rattling on the child's chest. All that comes from cow milk or soy milk. They both are dangerous. Almond milk is dangerous.